So Taboo is one of our game night must-go-tos. We love this game. In the box, you're going to get a scorecard. You need to break up your people into two teams. You will get a timer. Most versions are different. This one's got a 2-minute timer on it, which gives you plenty of time. You'll also get a beeper. Some of them have squeakers. This one actually takes batteries, 2 AA's. You'll get a little card holder, and then you'll get a box full of two-sided cards. One side's usually a little bit trickier than the other. But the full point of the game is the word at the top is what you're trying to get your group to guess without saying the words on the bottom. So, for example, if I'm on Team A and I'm the reader, I'm reading this to my partners on Team A. So for battery, I could say it's a AA, Duracell is a brand of these, it goes in toys, and then once someone says battery, I go to the next one. It's not a pedicure, but and then someone will say manicure. I can't say any of the words underneath the word manicure. For the word dumbbell, you could say you use your arms to raise these up at the gym. A way to get disqualified or beeped is if you say, these are another word for weights. If you say weights, you're going to get buzzed. And that gives the point to the other team. But just keep going. So stock market, the exchange that starts each morning with ringing a bell. In the end, the team with the most points wins. We highly recommend this game. We absolutely love it.